Hello everyone, this is a live stream, BANA 3000 Operations Management. This is week 1, lecture 2. And today it's just like a filler. I have no real set agenda for today. I always do 2 lectures. After this week, the second lecture of every week is going to be looking at the application of the material. Lecture 1 on Monday, it was just the syllabus and the course on how it's organized and managed. And so I'm having this lecture today just to make sure that I do it to connect with people. And so this week is just getting used to the workflow, where to find things, the procedure, and that's really all the objective is today. Okay, to go over things quickly, briefly, I have a chat room, and so that anyone, I consider this like a lecture. And so if you come, if you're able to be at the chat room at 2 p.m. every Monday and Wednesday, then you can ask questions. But every single one of these will be rendered as a video, will be recorded, rendered as a video, posted on my YouTube channel, and also with a link in Canvas. Actually, if you bring up Canvas, here's Canvas, and I have one page here. If you click the course material, you notice right here, here's my Monday lecture. It's a video. And this lecture will also be the second one on a Wednesday lecture for week 1, okay? And then I'll do that every single week. But the first on Monday, it's presentation of material and explaining the material, which is based on the Red Book and also based on the videos, which I'll talk about and also point you to. And then the Wednesday is the application. There I'm focusing on the homework. So again, the Monday live streams, down here, the Monday live streams at 2 p.m. is focusing on the videos, the Red Book, the material, explanation. The Wednesday live streams after this week, when I get into the material, I'll be focusing on applying that in the actual homework questions. Here's what I'm asking, here's what I mean, here's how you connect it. And so my design is for everyone to learn the material, understand how to apply it, and so you can have multiple ways of learning the material. And so that's the design. So notice this first week, this is week 1 here. There is no material I really covered on Monday, so this is just I want to do it anyway and go over this again in case anyone has any questions. Okay, and then also up here you have, and notice here's where you'll do the live stream on Friday. You click it here every week, bing. So right here is your live stream. Now the Zoom link will be right here, and this Zoom link will be every Friday at 7 p.m. And so this Friday evening I'll do this. It's like office hours. There is no agenda for this, much like today. There is no agenda. It's just answering questions and just connecting and having that available. Some people ask, are these required? Well, they're not required in the sense that they're graded or anything, but these are resources for you to access to learn. It's up to you how you learn, and I emphasize that in the syllabus. As a matter of fact, if we bring up the syllabus, the first page up here, notice I talk about, I want to emphasize this again. The workflow, let's enlarge this so you can see it here a little better. There we go. The workflow is a responsibility of each student. And each student is expected to utilize available resources at their discretion. And so, again, I want to emphasize that again. Repetition is good. I don't mind the same question over and over again, unless it's not applied to the material. Repetition is good. That's how you learn. The way you use these resources is up to you. Learn how to use these to learn. Okay, but each student is required and expected to submit the assignments when due. So that is the goal, and that's the goal for everyone. Any late assignment has a 0. Okay, and then down here, notice beginning next week, there's what I get into the material. Every Monday live stream will be the material. Every Wednesday live stream will be focusing on the homework, and then every Friday Zoom will be just a conversation. So you have 2 times to talk about it before, and also you have 4 lectures and 2 discussions before you submit the homework. In addition to that, I want to emphasize that use the discussion in Canvas to start collaborating with your colleagues. In other words, there's a lot of resources. Use those resources to learn and what works for you and when it works for you. I highly recommend you start early. Don't wait till the last minute. I'll be going through these things, but you're going to have to do them. When I talk about the homework, I will not work the homework I will not give you the answers. I'll show you how to work it, where you find the answers, but I won't answer the questions. And some people will read the question. What's the answer to that? I won't do that, but I'll say the answer is in this material over here. Okay, so that's pretty much all I had to do for this live stream, because the Zoom session this Friday is just going to be on conversation. So but I did want to have one today so that I'll post it here. And so sure enough, every week, well, weeks 2 and 3, there'll be 4 of them. Monday week 2, Wednesday week 3, Monday week 2, Wednesday week 2, Monday week 3, Wednesday. So there'll be 4 of these things here, 4 of these links. And so there'll be plenty of resources. And if you can attend during the live stream, that's good. If not, look at the video, that's fine. And so there's going to be a lot of resources to help. And actually, since we're talking here, another resource is the website. If you'll click on the website under Operations Management, you'll see that these videos here also are part of the learning process, part of the workflow material you should be accessing to learn. Okay, and if you notice here, some are videos, some are Excel files, and we will be using Excel in here. Next week we'll get into Excel. We'll show you how to use Excel, and some of the add-ins we'll get into optimization down here, into aggregate planning. Okay, so that, and then the link here. When you click this link here, the live stream, which we're at now, and a lot of people are here, which I'm glad to see. You can see here, once you pull up my YouTube channel under home, whoops, I'm sorry, under videos, you can see there's a live now, there's where we are. And so that's how you access this live stream. Okay. Usually students today have very little problem, no problem at all. They probably know this stuff better than I do. And so there shouldn't be any problems finding the live stream, going to the website, going to Canvas with a discussion board, and asking questions, and the discussion board is discussions right here. And so use all these resources, use everything to be helpful. Okay, that's really all I had to do today. And if, again, from the chat room, I will certainly answer them. Other than that, we'll get started with the material. So this week, I just wanted the syllabus, find where things are, start identifying the resources to know how to use them, and hopefully there's a couple of things I want you to take away from this course. One is the material, but that's more importantly, is to learn how to use the resources. So that's all I have for today, and so I'll see you on Friday.